Menteri Ketenaga Pule Putih Rakkam sama hagasing balang la pentip baka National Testing Agency NTA kan sebu yalai Tylli ki Common University Entrance Test CUET Center Meghalaya. Katkum kejing ong chung u kene kejing penkre banbu yakine ki sentar kan salong haune ubnai banwan. Haba yakren bar kinong thok kubo Rakkam ula ong baka CUET exam kadai ke babu jing bha yaki samla pule ke jela. Ulai itu ba Vice Chancellor kanehu ula ong baki dan sibun ki ceka pule balai Tylli nama kejing pampas ki kena ya ke CUET exam. Kene kedai ke kam ke bas ngau kia bha. Nama kata ong baka sorka jela kala persangkat ke bala ban pentikna baka Captain Williamson Sangma State University kan stang trai kam no kam kloi.
Yes, yeah. Again this time, as per the communication from the Ministry of Government of India. So yes, every students have to go undergo the CUT examination. But however, we see lots of challenges. So Nehu, my chancellor told me that there are lots of vacancies unfilled due to not clearance of children in the CUT exam, which is a matter of concern. So I don't know what is happening. Should our students not performing well, or maybe there are some issues somewhere, so we have to find it out. So, but however, we are making all efforts, and also we are getting off to function the state university at early, so that in case CUT is a very challenge for us. So if suppose in a state university, we will have our own system of for admission without going to the CUT. Also, we are getting up for all this as a arrangement, and we are trying our best to start at the earliest.
So the three centers, CUET centers, have been set up? Or
no, it is like this. I think as per the overphone communication with the director of NTA, he informed me that they will be setting up 3 centers in the state of Meghalaya. But however, official communication is yet to make. But the due process will be followed. I've been informed there will be proper advertisement from the NTA side, and our institutions has to apply for that center. I think that process will happen in next 1 month, maybe in the month of March. But in progress, so no.
Since you have mentioned that once this Captain Williamson State University is there, then CUETs will not be implemented, not be there. So by when is it likely to happen? Means by when the state university will start?
There was a plan earlier that to start academic from 2024, but it looks like there's lots of challenges here. The vice chancellor is yet to be appointed, but will be appointed very soon. But however, for other faculties, we have to go the process like advertisement, calling for interview, and recruitment appointment. So, and if we appointed vice chancellor also, the process will follow. Development of the courses, calling for the board, and syllabuses, all things will take time. I don't think so. I think we may, most likely, maybe the academic session can be started only from 2025 academic session only.
So CUT is a must, whether it is...
No, only for the central university.
Yeah.
Since the state university have their own process and procedure of admission.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center